guys like what you guys see. Thank you so much for tapping on my screen. I appreciate it, guys. We're just fun people, fun friends. Nice, right? My Florida. Queen of TikTok. Thank you. Let me see. And water. I still don't have a shot. I'm too slow, guys. I'm too slow. I love it, guys. I love it. I love to have you guys here. Enjoy this moment with me and my friends. See my friends going wild. That is so cute. I love it. Excellent, guys. Still, they brought a friend that they call it One Piece. It says your fever. Yes, fever. Saturday fever. It's not a Friday fever. It's Saturday fever.
John Travolta in the house.
John Travolta. Oh my God, look at that. You're light up my day. That's so cute. Watch that. Thank you, my Tinty. Greeting card. He just sent me a greeting card.
Thank you.
Yeah! Jump. See? Jumping, jump. See? No accidents, guys. No accidents. This blows. Look, it's so good. Look. It doesn't go down, guys. What can I do? Tell me, what can I do? What? Tell me, what can I do? Look. It doesn't. It's perfect. I love it.
Yeah.
See, baby. They want me
to shimmy. No. I will practice. There he is.
See, no accident, guys. No accident, guys. No accident. You're gorgeous as always. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Stand up. Oh, wow. I love it when he says it like, oh.
Wait, you want to do the flowers?
I love it.
We have a PO box.
I know. I need a
We have a PO box.
vase in here for all those beautiful flowers you guys sent me. Thank you so much, and team, with all those beautiful animals and the cities that you sent me. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I cannot get them. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And all those hearts. This house is full of hearts, full of love. Thank you.
I'm
16.
I was doing this inside.
316. Of course, 316. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it, guys. Oh, look at those chilies. Woo, chilies are spicy.